read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi's here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected parents, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. In class today, we taught to the students number 20, how to count it, identify and trace number 20. First of all, take 2 notes of 10 rupee. Visualize these notes to the student. 10 and 10 make 20. After that, we will use coins. 20 coins. Same like that. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. 20 coins. How many coins are there? 20 coins of 1 rupee. Now look at this picture. Here are 20 blocks. Let's count with me. आप बच्चे के साथ मिलकर ये blocks count करेंगी. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 blocks. Okay. After counting these blocks, I hope so you all have blocks at your home. उम्मीद करती हूँ और मुझे यकीन भी है कि आपके घरों में ब्लॉक्स होंगे. बच्चों को कलरफुल ब्लॉक्स के साथ खेलना, उनके साथ बिल्डिंग्स बनाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. 20 blocks build big, bright buildings. Give some blocks to the students. They will build a building with different blocks. After that, we will teach how to trace number 20. They are already familiar. They know about number 2 and number 0. Start from the dot, make a cap, come stand down, make sleeping line. It will make number 2. Start from the dot, go round, round, round and stop. It will make number 0. 20. 2 and 0, 20. 10 and 10 make 20. I hope so you understood how you have to teach at home through different objects, coins and rupee. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.